Hi folks, I'm going to do a quick video today. I got a Camillus Model 11 Barlow in the mail today. As you see, I got a couple Camillus out here on the block, a couple of my favorites, and got the GI utility knife just a few days ago too. But to get right to it, first I want to say that in the description down below, I found the Camillus Tang stamp date code. So that'll be a help for anyone who needs it. But check this out. Slide her right out. This is a, based on the Tang stamp, a 60s to 70s Camillus Model 11 Barlow. And what I liked about it right off the bat was instead of saying Barlow up here like the Model 51 says, it says Camillus on both sides. And this is real bone, Sawcut bone. It's a 2-blade. Let's check the fit and finish real quick. This is just a flawless knife pretty much. Well, actually there is one flaw, but we'll get to that. Check it out. It's got some good patina. I actually wiped some of the patina off when I oiled it because it needed oil. It came off the brass, but that's okay. The oil is more important than the patina. Real bone, brass pins, ring bolster. Go to this side. This side's just gorgeous, the color of the bone and the saw cut. But like I said, that's all 100% sweet. Check out the centering. Almost down the middle. Check the pen blade is down the middle. Let's open her up. No half stop. It's about an 8 pull. 8 out of 10. But it's solid. Here's the flaw is the back spring peaks up just a bit. Well, quite a bit. But actually what that does is it gives the blade, I mean, there is no wobble at all on this. I'm loving this knife. I mean, this is going to be a daily user. Let's go up to here. Camillus, New York, USA. And that stamp is for 60s to late 70s. But I'm going to say this one was built in the 60s. That's just a hunch. Just because of the patina that was on it. I know that's not like a scientific way of doing it because some areas are more humid than others, but I'm just going to say it's a 60s. There's no real way to date it, but let's pull that, and it's got the vintage Camillus long pull, clip point. Watch this click. Pretty sturdy on the downside. And I think that by having that spring come up there a little bit, it does put a little pressure on the blade. I put a nice sharp edge on that. Let's check out the pen blade. And once again, the pen blade. No wobble at all. It's kind of thin. No markings. It's got nice patina on it. Patina all the way around. I really love this color on this side of the bone. Let's show a little brute and brawn versus elegance. Now, would you put up a $30 knife up against a 160? Yeah, why not? Just to take a look. Of course, you got the elegant lines of the Taylor Eyewitness and the high polish. And then you got the brute strength of an American-made Camillus. Now, the Model 11's a little bit bigger than the Model 51. I'm going to put out the Boker USA, 1970s Boker USA, just for a size comparison. And you'll see that the Camillus is quite a bit more of a jumbo. A lot thicker. I think it's 3.5 inches versus the Boker is was it 3 3/8? So it's like 1/8 of an inch shorter, but the blade is quite a bit longer. Look at that, the Taylor Eyewitness against two brutes. God, that's a beautiful knife. But I'm really digging on that Camillus. It just feels strong. It's heavy. Let's put this out of here and this out of here. I should have weighed it. But here, let's try. You can see the thickness of the two. Whoop. Hold on. It's quite a bit thicker. So that's pretty much it. It's something I always wanted. I don't have enough Camillus in my collection. It's a lot sturdier than the Boker USA, that's for sure. But this is, it's a nice knife. It's one of my $30 finds, and I love them because all I have to do to go to work is do this. Take this and this, pop it in there. Take this. Whoops, that didn't work too good. Take that. Wallet. And keys. And I'm ready to go. Have a great day. Bye-bye.